Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Cisco, and I'm coming to you in this video log to give you instructions on your course. Now, I'm reaching out to my networking essential students. What this video is all about is basically getting you set up in your course so you'll know exactly what to do. Every week, I will produce a video log so you'll know exactly what to do. In the video log, you're going to have lectures, you're going to have me demonstrating some of the material within the course so you'll know how to be on the right path. Now, once you review the video logs, you will have to answer a few questions on there about the video log and what you know. So these will actually be your discussion question / lecture. That's what I like to send out to my students so they can be fully prepared and up to what they need to do in this course. In a minute, you're going to see me switch over into a screen. And once I switch over into that screen, I'm going to be demonstrating what you have to do to be successful in this course. And as long as you follow what I present to you, you will be okay. No problemo. I want you to be fully in tune with your course. And I'm also going to ask you to make sure that you do your work on time. That is critically important. Doing your work on time. So, let me go ahead and switch over to the next screen. And what this whole agenda is about, this first video log, is basically 1, to make sure you review your syllabus. 2, to make sure you go do D2L and know the ins and outs of what's in D2L that will help you. And 3, to make sure you get to the portal, which we call Cengage, the portal where you will do all of your work. Once again, this is Professor Cisco. Follow the video. Let's go to the next page. Okay, now, this is your course. You already know that next week, you will have to sign into your portal, which is D2L. This is D2L. And once you sign into here, you will see this screen here. Now, I'm shooting this from the student's point of view, so you'll know what you see here is exactly what the students will see. Because you're a student, and you want to make sure you see your stuff, not the professor stuff. Moving right along. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is click on content. Because on content, you have these 2 files here. The first one is your syllabus, and the second one is your course portal where you will do all your work. Let me say that again. The course portal where you will do the work. Now, of course, you want to click on the syllabus. I'm not going to click on the syllabus because you know the very first thing you should be doing is reading your syllabus. But I'm going to click on the course portal. And once I click on it, as you can see right here, if this is not highlighted, click here. And then there go the link right there that you can click. Now, this new window is Cengage Mind tab. This is where you will do all of your work. And if it don't look like this, just know this is where you should be to do all of your work. Now, all you have to do is begin to go through any one of these particular lessons. So, for instance, I may want to click here and review the material. So if I want to read some, I can read here. I can look for the practice stuff here. As you see, you got links here and you got stuff here. Now, if it come up another way, whichever way suits you, it's 2 ways it can come up. It can come up this way or it can come up another way. But I'm showing you this way because I like this way better. But you may want to look at it another way. And that's okay. But as you see in here, you see all these different types of information that you will have to do, work that you will have to complete within here. Now, also over here, if you come over here, you will see right here, you got the full book. Your book is embedded within the course. So if you click on that, it would actually show you the book right here. So you can read through the book to get information. I'm just right now showing you how to explore your course. So you see you have multiple ways to explore this course. And I want you to go in here and look around, kick the tires so you can begin to understand. But a couple of things that are important, and I'm going to go back to here, which is your course. So in here, I want you to understand that you have content, which this is where we're in right now. You will have discussion questions to go through. So every week you will have a discussion of question that you have to do. And you will also have assignments where you will have to upload your assignment. Now, nothing will open until the dates that it must be completed. So you see this right now, it's locked out, so you can't get to anything. But on the first day that it needs to be completed, it will open up. From there, you can go to grades and etc., etc., etc. Okay? But there are things that I need you to do immediately. So the first thing I need you to do, and you're going to see this flash up, is to complete the discussion question. And that means you're going to review this video and you're going to do your first assignment by answering that discussion question. Okay? Let's get rid of this. Excellent. Now, like I said, people, there's two ways this portal may show to you. It can show to you this way and it can show to you the other way. Whichever way you choose to do, it's okay. You just want to get the work done. Now, you're going to have these particular packet tracers that you have to complete. And I'm going to open up the packet tracer so you can see what's in here. Now, these will be your labs. Let's go back and take a look at the screen here. I am going to open up the syllabi. So let's go open up the syllabi. So now you see the syllabus is open. And in your syllabi, it will tell you exactly what you need to produce every week. So make sure you have your syllabus close by you when you're doing your work. As you can see, you will have to read the first chapter, Introduction to Computer Networks. Then you will have a discussion on these topics. The topic that we will be talking about is, remember I said earlier, it is your discussion lecture. Then you're going to have some labs to complete. Now in here, you're going to see all type of quizzes that you have to do. You will see all type of exams that will have to be completed. So you get a real good understanding of what you need to do. You need to have your syllabus next to you so you'll know exactly what to do. So when it says Packet Tracer Lab 1, I'm going to shrink this down. You can see that right here, right? You see it right there. And there go your Packet Tracer Lab 1.1, installing the packet tracer. So let me go ahead and click on that and bring that up because I want to show you what I need for you to do with this packet tracer 1.1. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, as you can see, once we open it up, it gives you instructions on what to do. Installing packet tracer network assimilator. It gives you the time. It tells you what you need to do. And it breaks down where you will go and get packet tracer. This is going to be your first trial to see if you can understand the course. and read it thoroughly, it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. And the reason I'm doing this for you, because I want to see if you understand how to do this. Now, once you complete this, you will have a packet tracer that you will actually have to do. You're going to set up a NetAcad account, as you can see right there, and you're going to have some work to do to complete that account. But now I'm going to show you, once you download it and have it on your desktop, how things will look. So let's take a look at that. So now when you complete that assignment, what will happen is you will download this icon to your desktop. It's called the Cisco Packet Tracer. And you will open up this icon so you can do the work in that particular assignment. As you see, there's a multitude of things in here that you will do. Down at the bottom, you have right here your routers here. And if you click on these icons, they'll be presenting you with other icons. I'm actually going to do a lab, a packet tracer, and show you how to do things. I can take things and sit them on the desktop that I may use. They mimic real tools that you use in the real world. I can connect these devices to each other and actually start working with them. So I can do some connecting these devices. So that will be your first project that you will be doing when classes start. I need you to be ready to do this work, and it will walk you through it step by step. It's going to tell you exactly where to go get the packet tracer. Remember that. You're going to go get it from here. It will tell you how to download it. It will tell you how to sign in here. Now, remember this. When you sign in here, that's a Cisco account you're going to be able to keep for the rest of your life. So that's important. Use your own email. Do not use the school email. Use your personal email. Then you're going to have down here other information to complete. But that will be an assignment that you have to do. Remember that. Okay? So that's why I'm introducing you to the syllabi, so you'll know exactly what assignments need to be done. Okay, so that this video do not get long, let's recap. The first thing you want to do is come into your course, D2L. Once you get into your course, you want to review your syllabi. And then you want to click on the link to get you inside of your portal where you will do your curriculum. Then when that come up, you'll have the curriculum in here that you'll be able to work with. Remember, it opens up two different ways. So the best way for it to open up is the best way to make sure it's the way that you want to work with it. Okay? So I did a little example. If you have any questions, you know you can reach out to me. We can actually have a personal Zoom connection. If you check the syllabi, you will see a Zoom link there. You send me an email and you say, hey, Professor Sistrunk, can we meet? And I will set up a date and time for my office hours, and we will be able to meet. In conclusion, this is Professor Sistrunk. I hope that this will help you be successful in the course. If you need any help, be mindful and reach out to me, because I can help you. Have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video chat.